What's up, guys? We made it to sunny Florida. There was close to a foot of snow in Wisconsin when we left, and it seriously rained the entire drive. 1,441 miles. But we made it in one piece. Can't say as much for my truck cover. Well, that's a first for me. There's a lizard in the garage. Those little guys are sneaky. I don't know where he went. Been here for about 3 weeks now. And the way everybody was talking up in Wisconsin when I told them we were moving to Florida, you'd think I would have been eaten by an alligator by now, blown away by a hurricane, or keeled over from heat exhaustion. But other than that lizard that just found his way in here and an encounter with a turtle, we're doing great. Loving it down here. This is my kind of weather. Anyway, new garage, new project. It's actually not new. I've had it for probably 10 years. Sat in my backyard for probably 7 years. Mostly just lawn art, I guess. Then eventually it ended up in the basement. Pretty cool decor for a home basement bar. But you know what? I have a title for that in my name. So I say we do something with it. Let's build it. Not totally sure the direction we'll go with it, but we got time to figure that out. We'll start poking at it a little bit here and there, but I don't want it to get in the way of finishing the love. That's priority one. This Model A will just be a side project. I think we'll call it side piece for now. We'll tinker with every now and again. And when the love is done, then we'll really get after it. Project side piece. 1928 Model A Tudor sedan. Traditional-ish custom hot rod. So before we left, I had to take that apart, obviously, to get it out of the basement. Well, that was easy. Not too often you work on a car in the basement. We'll have to build a chassis, build some support back in here. We'll have to build a floor. We'll chop the top, probably about 5 inches. You know I love those suicide doors. A little bit of rust repair. It's pretty toasty on the passenger side. I am a big fan of the traditional period correct hot rod, but not when it's mine. I like custom stuff. That whole period correct thing, too many rules. I'll try to keep that look as much as possible, but also not give myself any rules I have to follow. I want to be creative and have fun. We'll definitely do something cool with the suspension. This is going to be a huge project. Now before we start that and continue working on the love, I still need to finish this garage. We've gotten quite a bit done so far. First thing we did when we got here was got the love off the trailer. Got electricity over here to my workbenches. Got some shelves. Well, they're gonna be kind of cabinets. Those are started, both sides over there. And over there, got the air compressor all wired up. It's not plumbed anywhere yet though. I have a hose reel over there and I'll have another one in the middle. Drywall protection from sparks. Got one welder plug wired up. I'll probably do another one over here because I think the welder is gonna live there. Hello? This is an old refrigerator from 1939. My brother gave it to me. I took all the guts out of it and I want to use it for storage. I always thought it would make a cool paint cabinet in the garage. I'm definitely gonna have to do some more lighting in here. This is definitely not enough. I think I'll leave those two on that original switch just the way it is. I added a bunch of switches here. I got one wired up already that will control the neon lights and the radio and all that stuff. Then I'll have one switch that'll do the additional lighting I put in on one side of the garage and another switch that'll control the lighting that I do on the other side of the garage. And there's one left here for, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But as you can see, it's coming together. Should be able to start getting some work done in here soon. I miss hanging out with all you guys in the garage. I'm gonna keep putting this garage together. I'll see you guys next time.